Alright, so guys, I gotta start this one off by giving my man an apology. And he's actually a cool dude. Man, he hooked us up with the horseback riding. He took the other folks for the buggies, man. So if you're in Punta Cana, hit him up. I'll put his contact info in the description.
Hello, people.
My man Christian. Going on an adventure today. What's up, everybody? Today, going out, ride some horses. I don't know where we're going, but should be fun. Come on, let's go.
Hola.
Dominican microwave thing. See it? Okay. So I live back there in that little cabana. Every day I have to come here to prepare everything. So guys, we're gonna ask you 2 questions about the cocoa and the coffee. If you answer my question, you're gonna win a shot of Mama Juana gratis. Very, very gratis, free. Okay? Okay. So, con las preguntas, primero en español. ¿De dónde viene el cacao originalmente? Where the cocoa come from original?
México.
¿Usted es mexicana?
No, pero sé que viene de México.
Cubana, chicos. Paso contigo, Cuba.
Esa tipa se va a llevar la botella de Mama Juana
Es que ella la está luchando.
Es más, llévese.
México. El cacao viene de México, original de México.
I don't know, yo no lo sabía. I don't know.
Ok, eso sí no sabe. Vamos a ayudar.
Porque ellos son duros, les gusta bocear, pelear, y ellos son crazy, y a ellos les encanta la vaina.
Ok.
Di que no, porque tú ves haitiano.
No, jamás.
Ay, sí, di que no.
¿Tú me vas a montar en la camiona?
No, yo lo que tú quieras, yo te monto. Yo te monto lo que tú quieras, que mira, estoy tan caliente que me estoy hasta quitando los chicos.
Okay. So guys,
La verdad, ¿de tu país?
the Maya people from Mexico, you know, when they was fighting with the Spanish people, they had in the bamboo
Ahora,
cacao beans mixed with honey. When you mix cacao with honey, that was the first Red Bull made in the world.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, energy, cacao energy, and honey too. And when you mix both together, you get energy.
You get that.
Yeah. So the Spanish people had to kill an animal to get rest, to sleep. And the Indian people 24 hours drinking, killing, and almost kill all the Spanish people, you know? And the Spanish people brought the cacao to America from Venezuela first. And today we got the best cacao in the Dominican Republic.
Okay.
Okay? Indio bebiendo, mataban casi todos los
Ahora, what
españoles.
is your question? Excuse me. Listen to give me 5. ¿Qué era lo que mataban?
Españoles.
¿Españoles o mosquitos o ron
Españoles.
o coco o cacao?
Españoles. De esa-
Ahora, ¿tú quieres que te diga una vaina? A mí me encanta el concón y rata.
Mira, vamos a gritar así, nos montamos.
Esto es la semilla.
Eso sale de adentro.
Eso es lo que tiene adentro.
Pero esa vaina, sí.
Pélalo, póngalo de adentro, que sabe a chocolate negro.
Pero
Una
guarda.
test, puede
Mamá,
probar.
¿qué hace con eso?
Yeah, you can take one, you peel, and you eat. Yeah. That is pure.
You just eat it?
You wanna peel?
Oh, you peel it?
No, porque este señor aquí se ve que no había aprendido mucho del cacao. Y esta semilla ya están tostadas. Ahora vamos a pasarla a la máquina manual, que es donde vamos a extraer
You like?
El chocolate.
Pero le quitan la cáscara o se muele un cáscara.
No, con cáscara es mejor, porque la cáscara es mejor.
Tiene vitamina.
Tiene más vitamina que la misma semilla. ¿Ok?
Better aftertaste, but
Café, ¿no?
Chocolate. Solo es el mismo proceso. Para el café, para el chocolate, es el mismo proceso. Solamente van a venir por aquí. Miren. Mientras van muriendo, van hueliendo cómo huele el chocolate. Aquí se huele el chocolate, no cocaína. Cocaína no, chocolate.
Ahí, ¿no? Pero será tú.
¿Podemos ir saliendo ya?
Podemos ir saliendo cuando están los bullas, podemos ir para la playa.
Sí, que más faltaría
No,
acá.
muy buena la presentación y demás, pero el tiempo que no tenemos.
No, el tiempo.
okay. I don't know what manga it is, but let's film it. Oh, okay. Oh. We got the good stuff on the left. We got the weed. Get it fresh from the farm. Tobacco fields. It's pretty dope. I've never seen a tobacco field. This beach is absolutely beautiful. Like I may come back here just so I can get some more shots of it. But legit, this place it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Thank you, gracias, man.
No problem, tip de cacao.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. All right, guys, just finished with the horses. Like, I've had this phobia of horses since I was 7, because it was right around the time Superman got bucked off and like broke all his shit. But this was actually one of my bucket list items, was to do this, and I had an absolute blast. Anyway, stay tuned for the next one. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Remember to give it a like, leave a comment, and we'll talk to you later.